Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to share the best guide on how to create a powerful resume that passes application tracking system ATS filters and gets you that interview call you've been waiting for. And no matter how skilled you are, if your resume isn't ATS optimized, you won't even get a chance to showcase that skills. So let me show you what you'll learn from this guide. First, you learn how to choose the right resume format, do's and don'ts of creating a resume, and more. And next, you will learn about the resume structure, how to make your header, objective, work experience if you have any, education, skills which are ATS optimized keywords, and certifications and courses, projects, and additional sections like achievements, languages, and such. And next, you will learn about formatting and design in which you'll learn which format to use, how many pages you should have, line spacing, margin, and all design specific aspects which are ATS friendly. And next is very important step, which is ATS optimization. Here you'll learn how ATS works and important ATS optimization tips. And we have also given best ATS resume checkers where you can check your resume score. And next, we have given some AI resume builders, which helps to build resumes easily. It's optional, but you should know at least some of them. Okay, and after that, you'll learn how to proofread and make a final review. And then you'll learn how to save your resume, in which format you should save, and how your file name should be. And finally, a small bonus, a few points on how to create a cover letter. And I've given free resume checker link. Click on the link, upload your resume, check your resume score, rectify your mistakes, keep changing this until your score is above 80%. And to get this guide, the link is in the description. Join our channel and DM me. I'll send you the file. And if you want to get your job faster and you don't have much time to learn all this, just join our Telegram channel. Link is in the description and DM us. We will make your resume for you. Thank you and all the best.